Welcome to the Trick Shift Garage. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to clean your rechargeable air filter from none other than K&N. This filter is pretty dirty. I actually haven't changed it since I bought it like last December, so it's been about a year. All right, let's get started. Flathead, give it a put, oh, angle it out, and it should come right out. There we go. Wow, this thing is really dirty. Let's get the, oh man, this filter's busted. Oh snap, I don't know if I should use this again though. It's a gapper right there. Dang, there's a couple holes in this thing. Got holes in my air filter. Should have checked that out when I first bought it. All right guys, so change of plans. I'm gonna order a new air filter. There's no point in cleaning it when you got holes in the air filter. Looking for a part number. Here's something to go off of. F060A6. You can look that up online to see what exact like model number this is, but we can also measure it. Height wise, it's going to be like 7.5. The top is 5 inches across. Now there's two diameters here. You got from the actual cone filter and then one on the inside. Okay, so the inside is 6 inches and then across I'd say about 7.5. So you write down all these measurements and then you can go online to K&N.com and find your filter, and then that way order it and then we can put it in. Also, don't forget to measure the flange that's right below the air filter element that actually connects to the rest of the intake. All right, so we're back here. Got the new K&N filter. This is a RF 1041. All right. There it is. Ooh, that's shiny. Shiny. Looks like it's already oiled up. You can see it's, I can feel it on my hands. It's pretty oily. This one might have been a different color. I don't know if it was red from the factory or what have you, but you can tell the pleats look the same, and obviously no holes on this one. So overall, good match. There should be a model number. It's F060A6. This is F060L6. A6 and L6. I'm not sure what the difference is. Comment below if you know what it is, but physically it's the same exact size. So we're going to go ahead and put this thing on. Here's the new one, like so. For this one there's a little bar here, so I'm going to do is point it down and fit it in first, like so. Make sure it's good and snug in there. And then I'm gonna grab my flathead and then get your clamp and just tighten it down. That should do. All right, that's it for this video. I told you it was gonna be a quick one. So the new K&N filter's in. That's it. Just make sure that you have it on tight. I would check over all these screws. That's what I did again. Everything was tight, but just go over everything, make sure there's no leaks or anything in the system. Old K&N filter, trash. It's no good. But this should really help the truck breathe again, because I feel like this K&N filter, as dirty as it was, probably hampered some power. So excited, might get a couple horsepower back. Really probably going to hear more sound than anything. I was thinking about getting like a new throttle body. It's a bigger throttle body and a bigger intake manifold. That would be awesome, because then I can really like open up the intake track and let this engine breathe even more so. But that's for another day. Thanks for watching. Click that like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Trick Shift Garage videos, and we'll see you on the next one.